Ikea pays $46 million after child's death. By Learn with News. Level 2. Ikea is a global furniture and home goods store from Sweden. They have locations in over 50 countries around the world. They have recently agreed to pay $46 million to the family of a 2-year-old boy who died in 2017. The young boy died after a set of Ikea drawers fell on him. A year before the accident, the drawers had been recalled. They were recalled because 3 other children had died as well. All 3 children were boys and below 2 years old. Their families received a combined total of $50 million from Ikea. The drawers were only 76 centimeters tall, but had a defective design. The design made them fall over easily, also making them dangerous for small children. The boys' parents are devastated. They have said, "We are telling our story because we do not want this to happen to another family." They have also promised to donate $1 million from the money to groups who protect children from dangerous products.